YouTube, what's up? You already know what this is. What's this? I'll show y'all what this is.
To get the fire red.
Yeah. This ain't focusing. Anyway, fire retro, whatever. Gotta do this real quick. Woo! Woo! Man. Just picked these up this morning on the release date. Yep, fire red bobs. Comparing to these though, y'all don't know nothing about those. Woo! Yeah, I'm about to bring these out. That's one shoe. Other shoe, let's see. White, black, red Jumpman. Got the 3M on the tongue. It's a little insert. She biting everybody's son. It's the differences.
This sounds sexy as hell on this.
Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show y'all my pickup. Rate, comment, subscribe.